You always need a multi-tool right when your toolbox isn't around. But man, there's a lot of junk out there that bends or breaks the second you try to actually fix something with it. I got tired of guessing, so I bought the top contenders for the best multi-tools for fixing things and put them to real work. Here's which ones are actually worth carrying. Product number 1, RAK Multi-Tool Pen. Starting with the RAK Multi-Tool Pen set. When I first picked these up, I was surprised by the weight. The heavy-duty aluminum body actually feels solid, not like cheap plastic office pens. Now let's be real, you aren't rebuilding an engine with this. But for quick office fixes, it's great. I used the Phillips screwdriver bit to tighten glasses and open a battery compartment on a remote, and it worked perfectly. The built-in bubble level is handy for quickly checking a picture frame, and having a ruler right on the barrel is something I used more than I expected. It writes smoothly, too. This definitely falls more into the cool gadget category rather than a heavy-duty workhorse. If you want something low profile for a desk drawer or glove box for very minor repairs, these are a fun, practical choice that won't weigh you down. Product number 2, Multi-Tool Knife 17-in-1. Moving on to this 17-in-1 multi-tool knife. Right out of the box, this thing feels rugged. It's coated with black oxide, which gives it a nice grip, and should stop it from rusting out if you leave it in a damp camping bag. The main draw here is the blade made from 420 stainless steel. I tested it cutting through thick paracord and double-walled cardboard, and it held its edge nicely. While it has standard screwdrivers, the extra features like the fire starter, whistle, and window breaker really push this towards an outdoor survival tool rather than a general household fixer. The one-handed operation is okay, but it takes practice. Honestly, if your definition of fixing things involves camping gear or outdoor emergencies, this is the one you want in your pack over a standard pair of pliers. Product number 3, Mossy Oak Multi-Tool. If you need something heavier, I really liked handling the Mossy Oak 21-in-1. This is a substantial tool. It's stainless steel and feels incredibly solid in the hand, almost a bit heavy, but in a reassuring way. The standout feature during my testing was the separate sleeve of screwdriver bits that slots onto the tool. Instead of struggling with tiny, fold-out drivers, you get actual usable bits. I used it to assemble an IKEA shelf, and having that real magnetic bit driver made a huge difference. The pliers are spring-loaded and sharp, easily snipping through some thick wire I had lying around. I also appreciate that all the tools have a self-locking design, so they don't fold back on your knuckles during use. This is probably the best value option if you need a serious, fix-it tool for around the house without spending a fortune. Product number 4, VEITORLD Hammer Multi-Tool. Then I got my hands on the VEITORLD Multi-Tool, and yeah, the main draw is obvious. It has an actual hammer head. It's surprisingly compact for having a hammer, and while it won't replace a full-sized claw hammer for framing a house, it's incredibly useful for small tasks. I used it to tap in some loose tent stakes and hang a few pictures, and having that weight right there saves you from grabbing a rock or using the back of a screwdriver. Besides the hammer, the other 13 tools, like the pliers and saws, tuck away neatly. It feels sturdy enough for light carpentry or DIY decor jobs where you just need to bang something into place quickly. It comes with a decent belt pouch, too. If you're the type of person who always needs to whack something to fix it, this is the most practical choice. Product number 5, Gerber Gear Suspension NXT. Finally, I looked at the Gerber Gear Suspension NXT. You can tell the difference with a big brand name here. The butterfly opening mechanism is super smooth, and the whole thing just feels tighter and better engineered than the generic brands. It's lighter than the Mossy Oak, making it way better for everyday carry. My favorite feature, honestly, is the pocket clip. It sounds minor, but being able to clip it to my jeans instead of digging in my pocket or wearing a belt sheath is a huge plus for daily use. The needle nose pliers are precise, and the wire strippers actually worked on some speaker wire I needed to fix. All the tools lock, which is a safety must-have. If you want a reliable, well-built tool that's comfortable to carry every single day, spend a little extra for the Gerber. So whether you need a pen that doubles as a screwdriver or a full-on hammer in your pocket, one of these should cover you. I've dropped links to all 5 down below in the description so you can check the current prices and see what's on sale right now. Thanks for watching.